Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a voiceover in a minute, so I figured I would do that. So this is the look I came up with today. I used a Magnificent Metal from Stila Cosmetics, my first one that I ever bought, and it is freaking stunning. So I just started out with my Morphe 24G palette, and I used the shade Frenchie. And this is my Sigma E40 brush. I really like this brush to start out like the first two shadows. I just feel like it's really perfect for my eye shape. As you can see, my crease is like pretty defined. It's already there. So I don't know, it kind of just fits in there perfectly. Okay, and now I'm taking the shade Mojo for the second transition shade, and now I'm taking this M433 brush from Morphe and the shade Mooch, and that's just kind of like going towards on my outer corner, and then I'm gonna blend it into my crease. Now I'm just gonna take this brush that has no product on it and go over the edges. Now this, the star of the show, you guys. I have never bought a Magnificent Metal from Stila Cosmetics. I wanted like 3 of them, and I just never bought them because they're kind of expensive, $24. But this was so easy to work with and just so freaking pretty. Like, look at the color. This is a limited edition color, so if you like this color, you like this look, you need to go out and get it. Now I'm just taking the M433 brush again and the shade Mooch and just going back over the outer corners because, as you can see, I lost some of the color. Okay, go. I've already moisturized my face. I'm just gonna prime with the Morphe setting spray, and I'm gonna moisturize a little bit more with the Tarte moisturizer just because that one has or gives me like a little bit of a glow. And I'm gonna use the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation, and I mixed a little bit of the Maybelline Smooth and Dewy. And I've been using a brush more lately for my foundation because I feel like it covers up like my acne scars more, and if I have any breakouts. Lately I feel like, I don't know, I feel like in my 20s is when I'm having acne. I did never really have acne when I was a teenager, so it's really freaking annoying. I do still go over it with the Beauty Blender though. And I'm gonna take my Tarte concealer today, like always. I'm gonna order, actually I'm gonna do that like right now, actually after I do this voiceover. I'm gonna order some of the Makeup Revolution concealers because everyone and their mom is using them, and they're saying that they're just as good, or it's just as good as this concealer, and it's like $8. So I'm definitely gonna make an order for that. And I've been dry lately too, so hold up, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me just blend all this out. Okay, here we go. So I've been dry lately, and so here's what I do. I just press the powder in as quickly as I can, and then I wipe it away as quickly as I can because I don't want it to like really set or like make my under eyes look dry, because it will do that if I leave it on there too long. And now I'm just gonna take this big Morphe brush and set the rest of my face. This is NARS Laguna with a some Zoeva brush that I bought forever ago, and I love it for bronzing. If you guys can hear freaking, what the hell is this? Ryan's Toy Review in my background, or these annoying little girls. I'm sorry, but it's my life. Okay, so now I'm taking Nectarine from the Peachy Love Trio. This is one of my favorite blushes. I love it so much. I probably wear it with every look. And I'm taking Prosecco Pop from Becca Cosmetics and Jaclyn Hill, the collab that they did together. This is all I do, guys. Like, I'm serious. It takes me like 3 hours to get ready because all I do is dance. So I'm taking this Morphe, I was gonna say concealer, this Morphe lip liner in the shade Sweet Tea, and just gonna line my lips. This is the shade London. It's a matte lip cream, and I'm just gonna fill in my lips with that. I'm kind of trying to recreate this look that Makeup by Ariel did on Shay Mitchell, like this lip look wise. He used a Morphe pencil, and I don't know which color it was, but it's pretty similar to this one. So, and he used the London lip cream, and he also used like 50,000 different nude lipsticks, which I'm not going to do. I'm just going to do the Morphe liner, the London lip cream, and some gloss. I'm just mixing Frenchie and Mojo and just kind of like lightly putting that on my lower lash line with some inner highlight, some brow highlight, and I'll put some mascara on as well. And then the look is done, and I hope you guys really like this look. I loved it. I think it's super easy. Oh, and the lashes I used were from Morphe, and they are in the style Hypnotic. So if you like this look and this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.